In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rearrange slides using Microsoft PowerPoint. Whether you're preparing for a big presentation or just organizing your thoughts for a project, knowing how to effectively rearrange your slides can make a world of difference. So let's get started. First, you'll want to open PowerPoint on your computer. This is the initial step in bringing your creativity to life, so launch the program and get ready to dive into your content. Once you've opened PowerPoint, make your way over to the specific presentation you want to work on. Maybe it's a class project, a business pitch, or even a family photo album. Whatever it is, ensure you have it open and ready. Now, focus on the slides panel, which is typically located on the left side of your screen. This is your digital storyboard where each slide is an essential part of your narrative. Find any slide within this panel and right-click with your mouse. By doing this, you'll open up a menu of options that give you control over managing your slides. Next, let's select the slides you want to rearrange. The quickest way to do this is by pressing Ctrl and A simultaneously on your keyboard. This command will select all the slides in your presentation, giving you the ability to rearrange them comprehensively. If you're using a Mac, remember it's Command and A instead. This step is particularly useful if you have a large number of slides and need to move around multiple at once. With all your slides selected, it's time to get creative and arrange them based on your preference. Click and drag them in the order you desire. Just click a slide, hold the mouse button, and move it to its new location. As you do this, a little line appears to guide you where the slide will land, which is very helpful in making sure everything is perfectly in place. Reordering slides can help in creating a more logical flow or making your presentation visually appealing. Taking the time to arrange your slides thoughtfully can really enhance the impact of your presentation. It's your chance to ensure that your ideas unfold in just the right way, maximizing engagement and clarity for your audience. And there you have it. You've successfully rearranged your slides in Microsoft PowerPoint. You're on your way to presenting with confidence and clarity. Remember that the key to a great presentation often lies not just in what you share, but in how you share it, and mastering these small technical skills is a powerful step in that direction. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Stay tuned for more tips on making the most out of PowerPoint and other useful tools.